All right, y'all. Last one. We're going to solve a natural log equation. And this one I think is important that you can see that these things are sometimes irrational. And sometimes you're pressed into an exact answer. And this is one that turns out that way. So I'm kind of glad we're going to do it. All right, so we need to solve, need to put some ink up here, 6 natural log of 7x plus 6, and that is minus 14, and that's equal to 10. Again, the first step always is isolate the logarithmic term. So we would add 14 to both sides here first, and that gives me 6 log 7x plus 6 equals 24, and now you know the next step is let's get that 6 out of here by division, and I'm going to have natural log of 7x plus 6 equals 24 divided by 6 is 4. All right, now it's time to convert to exponential form. Since this is base e, we're going to have e to the 4th equals 7x plus 6. And now it's just a matter of subtracting over 6. E to the 4th minus 6 is equal to 7x. So finally, x is e to the 4th minus 6 all over 7. And that's a done deal. And I checked this one and it works out. So, and I'm going to show you in the next video how you can do these with a graphing utility. This one, it turns out, would have to be approximated, but the others you could have done, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.